Hi, I am Mrs. Dorman, and I am here with, who are you?
Kayla,
And Kayla, what grade are you in?
4th grade.
Okay, and Kayla is my special helper today. She is going to show us how to do a peer edit, okay? So Kayla wrote this paragraph that I asked her to write, and she's going to help me do a peer edit. Okay, so Kayla, can you explain to us what this rubric is?
It's something that your teacher uses to grade you on.
Yeah, good. So in a peer edit, we use a rubric to help us know what I need to look for in your paper. So it looks like I need to look for a claim, reason, evidence, explanation, and spelling. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'm going to do the peer edit. So I'm going to put my name right up top here. Okay, so Dorman is my last name. And so I'm going to read your paragraph out loud. It says, bats are mammals. Bats are mammals because they are warm-blooded and have live birth. So the first thing that I notice right here is that you repeat yourself. So I'm going to just cross this out, and because you repeat the same thing. And then the second thing I notice is and have live birth. It should be an S, live births. And then I'm going to continue reading. Bats are the only mammal that can fly. Bats are the second group of mammal on Earth. That's a little...
Mammals?
Yeah, mammals. So that's a little bit confusing to me. What do you mean by they're the second group of mammals on Earth?
They are the second largest group of mammals on
Oh,
Earth.
so we need to include the word largest right there. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So there's not a lot of room here, so I'm just going to put it over here. Okay, so you meant to say largest group of mammals on Earth. Bats are very cool mammals. Great. So I noticed that you have the claim, which are bats are mammals because they are warm-blooded and have live births. But I had to cross out one, so I'm going to give you a 2 right here. You have a reason. The part that says because they are warm-blooded and have live births, so that reason is very clear. You have evidence. So it looks like you have 2 sentences that are evidence, which are bats are the only mammal that can fly. And then bats are the second largest group of mammals on Earth. So I think you deserve a 3 for that. And then you explain that bats are very cool. So you support your claim with that last sentence. And you had one spelling issue, so I'm going to give you a 3 in that category. So Kayla, do you have any questions about your paragraph?
Why did you cross out like my main sentence? Bats are mammals.
That's a really good question. So if you notice, you have bats are mammals, and then you repeat yourself and say bats are mammals.
Oh, yeah.
So I crossed this first one out because you said it twice. And so to make the paragraph clearer, we only want to say it one time.
I get it now.
Okay. So Kayla, that is how we do a peer edit. Do you have any questions about how to do a peer edit?
Nope.
Okay, thank you so much for being my helper.